Are you looking for the best small business ideas? Whether you're looking for an online business that you can start and do from home, an in-person business, or something else, there are many different businesses that you can start. Number 1, blogging. Like I said above, out of all the small business ideas on this list, blogging is my favorite. This can be a great online option for beginners, as you don't need previous experience, and the majority of bloggers are brand new to blogging. I was completely new when I started my blog, and I learned everything I know along the way through trial and error by reading free resources and by networking with other bloggers. Since I started making sense of sense, I have earned over $5 million from my blog through affiliate marketing, sponsored partnerships, display advertising, and online courses. Number 2, selling printables from home. If you're looking for small, profitable business ideas that have low startup costs, then selling printables on Etsy may be a good fit for you. Creating printables can also be quite passive because you just need to create one digital file per product, which you can then sell an unlimited number of times. Because you only need a laptop or computer and internet connection, it can be quite affordable to start. Number 3, virtual assistants. A virtual assistant is someone who works for a person, company, or business owner to do administrative and business tasks to help a business run smoothly. Think of them like in-person assistants, except they work at home and online. Becoming a virtual assistant is one of the most popular small business ideas at home. In fact, I used to work as a virtual assistant. Number 4, pet sitting and dog walking business. Yes, you may be able to start a part-time or full-time business pet sitting or walking dogs. You may be watching pets in your home or going over to the pet owner's home to take care of the pets. As a dog walker, you can earn $20 an hour or even more. Number 5, podcast virtual assistants. There is currently a large demand for podcast virtual assistants. Even though there are over 2 million podcasts, that number continues to grow. Why it's one of the best small business ideas. While the podcast host can record themselves, other tasks like editing and publication take time. So many podcasters outsource work to virtual assistants. It's a more efficient use of their time, and they can focus their time on other areas of their business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive everything related to money and business.